Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Magandang araw. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Swiss Inn. Acknowledge ko muna yung mga haligi ng ating organisasyon. Parang Asik Walter Ocampo. Attorney Gapito Tria. Yan, natin nila mga legal counsel. Attorney Eugene Alfaraz. Para yung anak natin ha. Wala pa si Attorney Sunny Pulgar. Isa sa mga haligi ng ating organisasyon. Ang tagal na natin abogado ito. At si Attorney Alvin Angkol. Attorney Don Luna. Ayun, paparating dito yung ating legal team. At dito po ngayon yung ating speaker, si Dr. Gani. Dr. Gani Gani. At halos kumplito po itong bumubuo ng ating samahan sa halos 17 regional region ng Pilipinas. At mga observers natin na halos nandito ngayon at magandang balita at ito mga observers natin, ano na ito, mga certified na ito. Good afternoon. It is an honor to stand before you today as we reflect on our achievements over the past year and lay out an action plan for the current year. First and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone, especially to the organizers of our just concluded Music Quest Season 3 last December 22. Yan, ang nagpatakbo po doon ay si Garrett at si Mers. Let's give him a warm applause. Next, I would like to recognize the incredible efforts of Marlo, Peter, incoming Vice Mayor of Iligan City, Jimmy Bisaya, and of course, my good friend Asik Walter Ocampo for their unwavering support of Batalya Air Philippines. Please, let's give them a big hand. Thanks to their commitment, Batalya Air has distributed an astounding 120,000 plus wheelchairs to indigent beneficiaries across the country. We pledge to continue our efforts to support the persons with disabilities sector without any let-up. I also want to acknowledge our legal counsel. I mentioned a while already. For their invaluable assistance with their expertise, we have successfully filed administrative and criminal cases against not only to erring DPWH officials, but also top officials from the Bangko Sentral, including Secretary Bin Jokno from the Department of Finance. Concerning the anomalous national ID procurement, let's remember our legal team. Let's give them a big hand also for their dedication to justice. I am also pleased to welcome, of course, Attorney Don Luna, the newest addition to our legal team. We are excited to have Attorney Don on board. Furthermore, I want to congratulate all those who participated in the GPPB procurement training and seminars. Based on our records, CCWI stands out as the only organization with certified government procurement specialist among its ranks. Congratulations to the job we've done for every certified specialist. You are now equipped with essential knowledge about the intricacies of the government procurement process, and you will continue to serve as vigilant guardians of public funds, ensuring transparency in government transactions for the public good. As we look forward to this year, our action plan includes the following initiatives. Number one, we'll aim to increase our outreach and support programs for the PWD sector, ensuring that even more individuals receive the assistance they need. Number two, we will continue to pursue legal avenues against corruption, focusing on transparency and accountability within government institutions. Number three, we will offer more training programs to equip our members with the tools and knowledge necessary to combat corruption effectively. We will launch campaigns to raise awareness about the importance of integrity and transparency in government, encouraging public participation and vigilance. Together, we have made significant strides in the fight against crimes and corruption. And I am confident that with your continued support and dedication, we will achieve even greater success this year. Thank you. Thank you all for your hard work, your commitment, and your passion for justice. Let's make this year our most impactful yet. Thank you, and good afternoon, everybody.
Thank you, Chairman. Of course, next, we'll have